Hi guys, welcome back to Organize with Eb. I'm super excited to be doing this video for you guys today. This is something that I've needed to tackle for a while. This is my declutter and organize my daughter's closet. So this is Eleni's closet right here. I'm showing you the before, and then I'm also going to show you how I take everything out, declutter, and then reorganize and put everything back in, and definitely on a budget because I didn't even have to buy anything. Definitely simple and minimum as always. So let's go ahead and get started. So here I'm just showing you everything that's in the closet. As you can tell, it is a pretty big mess. So these are Eleni's hair bows. She also has overnight diapers. She is potty trained, but she has to keep those overnight diapers, put those on every night. And then I have some outlet covers that I need to open and use. This bottom drawer is where we keep all of her socks and shoes. Not sure if I want to just keep that the way it is because it has been working fairly well. I just need to reorganize the closet to make it more accessible. And then I also have this hamper on the side door. We just been putting her dirty clothes in just so I don't have to keep it out in the room, and it's been working fairly well. So here's the last look of how it looks before we start tackling this pretty big mess. But at first I want to tell you guys that this is actually a collab. Today I'm collabing with Ty Chills. Her channel is all about cleaning, DIYs, and all about mom lifestyle. If you guys are just needing that little bit of motivation to get you through the day, her channel is definitely the one to check out. She's all about uplifting others through things that she is passionate about, and she is all about sending positivity your way. She is actually tackling a room today as well. She is decluttering and organizing her kitchen. So I hope you guys can go subscribe to her channel. I put her subscription link in the description box below if you want to go ahead and subscribe. And if Ty Chills sent you this way, I want to thank you guys for joining me in this video today. I hope you guys can subscribe. Me and Ty Chills actually have quite a similar channel. So if you're just looking for that little bit of motivation to always check some things off of your to-do list, definitely subscribe to the link below. It is definitely free, doesn't cost you a thing, and you'll get that motivation that you need. I post videos about cleaning, organizing, and lifestyle. I try to post weekly. I am a mom to a little girl named Eleni, along with a full-time student and a full-time working mom, just like Ty Chills. So I just want to thank you guys for stopping by my channel today, and I hope you guys can go ahead and subscribe. So next, let's go ahead into the video, and what I'm doing right here is just taking everything out of the closet just to see everything that I have, and then we'll go ahead and start decluttering and reorganizing and placing everything back in the closet.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust.
So now that we've gotten it all cleaned out, I'm going to go ahead and try to clean as much as I can. The walls were sort of scuffed up from the chest, and then I'm going to vacuum the floor. So let's go ahead and get that done. this right here is everything that was in the closet. Honestly, don't know how it all fit in the closet, but we're gonna go ahead and declutter all this, throw away things that need to be thrown away, place a pile for the storage building, and then go ahead and reorganize and put the things that I need to keep back into the closet. So we're going to go ahead and go through her clothes. So we're going to go ahead and make those 3 piles I was telling you about. One for the storage building, one for the closet, and then one for the donation pile. I've also decided to throw away the other color hangers, and I'm just changing the hangers out for all white just to make it look a little bit more nice and neat in the closet. We also decided to go ahead and put all of her set outfits, so outfits that have the top and the bottom that match, because sometimes they get lost in the drawers. So we're just going to go ahead and hang that up along with her coats and sweaters, and then also her dresses.
In this puzzle I used to call my life, oh no, didn't even care enough to be dismissive. I just kept keeping on in my stride. Oh, you've been waiting out there somewhere in the wind. Yes, it's true. It just goes to show it ain't over till the fat lady sings. Better late than never for us to come around. Better late than never for all that was lost once again be found. Yeah, baby, it's clear for all to see that 1 and 1 makes 3 perfectly. Better late than never for you and me. Now it all has changed for the better. Yes, it has, baby. Even in ways I never knew were there. Changed me, baby, no new ways. Cliches were true to the letter. Yes, they were, baby. From nothing to something, suddenly you were there. Oh, better late than never for us to come around. Better late than never for all that was lost once again be found. Yeah, baby, it's clear for all to see that 1 and 1 makes 3 perfectly. Better late than never for you and me. Better late than never. Oh, wouldn't you agree? Better late than never. I guess it was simply meant to be. Better late than never for us to come around. Better late than never for all that was lost once again be found.
So now that we've organized those clothes, I need to go ahead and put her pageant dress up. We'll actually be selling that soon. So I'm gonna go ahead and hang that up in the closet. And then I also have, this is the pile that we're gonna place in the storage building. So they're either too big or something in the sentimental that we wanna keep. And then I need to go ahead and put this coat up, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I organized it. So on the left here, you'll see the sets. So we have quite a few different sets, and then in the back as well, I placed the extra coat hangers just so they'll be out of the way. And then on the other side are all of her coats and sweaters that she'll need for the wintertime. So next I'm going to go ahead and work on the rest of her miscellaneous stuff that belongs in the closet. So that'll be her bows, her sunscreen and creams, along with her diapers. So just got to find a spot for all of that, and let's go ahead and get decluttering and organizing this stuff.
Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down. Take me to your heart. I belong to you. Take me to your soul.
So next I'm going to go ahead and start that pile that I'm going to be putting in the storage building. I'm going to go ahead and move all that stuff out of her room, so that way it looks like I'm actually getting something done. So I'm going to go ahead and get to doing that. So now I'm going to go ahead and start placing the things that go back into the closet in there and trying to make it more accessible for when we have to use it every day. Just making sure everything's nice and neat and where it's supposed to go.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down.
We actually had to do a few things in between me filming this, so it's actually nighttime now, but so the only thing that is left is me to vacuum this floor, and then we also have the items that we need to put in a storage building out in the hallway, so you'll see those there. And then we actually already took all the items to Goodwill that we were donating, so all of this stuff right here just needs to go to the storage building. So I'm going to go ahead and get to doing that.
Take me to your heart. I belong to you. Take me to your soul.
Should be easy.
So here's a look at what it looked like before. And don't forget that my style is simple and minimum, so I didn't add any decor or anything to the closet, so everything is just pretty simple. So this is how it turned out, and I love how it has turned out. It's very simple and accessible and easy to use every morning for Eleni. We've used it for a couple of days now and it has been working great. Thank you guys again for watching. If you haven't subscribed, I would definitely love for you to subscribe to my channel. It will definitely mean the world to me. And don't forget to go check out Ty Chill's channel. Once again, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.